Welcome guys! We just fried our potatoes, carrots, bell pepper, green, red, and one jalapeños in here. What we're gonna do, we're gonna set this aside. We're gonna remove some of the oil. And we're gonna start sauteing our garlic, 2 tablespoons of garlic. I hope you guys see it. There you go. Okay. We're cooking our garlic right now. This is a frozen garlic, a fresh one. I put it in a blender and put it in my freezer so it lasts longer. Alright. Give it a couple of minutes. Where's our pause? Okay. Actually, I don't. Alright. It's still recording. We're gonna put our this is actually pig feet. It's already been washed, clean. I was gonna cook it tomorrow, but I decided to cook it today. It's about 3.5 pounds. We're just gonna mix it. Actually, we're gonna clean it up in a pressure cooker. So it's only gonna take 30 minutes to 45 instead of like a couple of hours. Alright. We're gonna put some sorry guys, it took so long. We're gonna put some salsa. I'm sauteing it right now guys, so I want to blend all the ingredients, all the seasoning that we're gonna put in our pig feet. By the way, this is gonna be a pig feet Calgareta. 3 tablespoons of that beef bouillon or pork bouillon if you have. And we're gonna put 1 can of tomato sauce. This is 15 ounces. And I'm going to put about half of water in this can. So, you got stuck. There you go guys. Just let it simmer a little bit and we're going to put this in our pressure cooker. Okay guys, I just add 1 tablespoon of black pepper to our dish. It's already turned off the fire, so we're gonna transfer this pig feet to our pressure cooker pot. Okay. Can you guys see it? This is what it looks like. It needs a little bit of water. I'm gonna put this much water, so about 16 ounces. I don't want it to burn. Okay. Like our pressure cooker. I'm gonna put it in a stew setting, and I'm going to put it for 45 minutes, okay? And let it go. Let's wait for 45 minutes, guys. After 45 minutes, guys, it's pork tender. Now we're gonna put it in our other pot. It's actually a pork tender, guys. We're just gonna let this boil. We're gonna put our veggies, which is a potato, carrots, green and red bell pepper, and some jalapeños. And of course, we can readjust the seasonings. You can have about a tablespoon of onion granulated. Maybe half a tablespoon of black pepper. And we're gonna put our veggies in. And we're gonna let this simmer, and actually this is a liver pate. If you don't have this one, it's actually homemade. You can buy the liver spread in a can. The brand is actually Reno, R-E-N-O, Reno. Go to the Asian store, they do have it. Alright, so we're gonna thicken it with the liver pate once you start boiling. This is actually gonna thicken the sauce. Here's the finished product, guys. The bed of rice. And here's the rest of it.